Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Okay, today we will present about the writing process in academic writing from a handbook for international students by Stephen Bailey, page 30 until page 61. Okay, the first of all, my name is Muhammad Faizan Walikrami, and this is my partner. Her name is.
My name is Diana Eningrum.
Okay, we start the presentation. Okay, the first of all is introduction. Academic writing is an important skill for university students. It helps students communicate ideas clearly, logically, and academically. According to Bailey, good writing is not done instantly because it requires several steps and process. Students must understand how to read, organize ideas, and use source correctly. The main point is, academic writing needs structure. Writing is a process. Critical thinking is important. Okay? The next is overview of the topics. This presentation discusses several important topics from Bailey books, page 30 until 61. These topics help students improve their writing skills and avoid common mistakes in academic work. Understanding these concepts can make writing easier and more effective for beginners. There are three topics. First is critical reading, second is plagiarism, and the third is paraphrasing and summarizing. Okay. The first of all, academic reading. Academic reading means reading carefully to understand ideas, arguments, and evidence from a text. Students should not only read for information, but also evaluate the quality of the source. Good reading skill helps students prepare better academic writing because they can identify important points and understand the writer's purpose clearly. Okay, next is finding suitable sources. Not all sources on the internet are reliable for academic writing. Bailey explains that the student should use trustworthy and academic sources such as books, journals, and official websites. Reliable sources usually include clear authorship and evidence. A good source contains academic journals, books and ebooks, and university websites. Okay, next is critical reading. Critical reading means analyzing and questioning a text instead of accepting it directly. When reading academic text, students should think about whether the information is logical, accurate, and supported by strong evidence. They also need to consider the writer's purpose and possible bias. By doing this, students can develop independent thinking and produce more critical and well-supported arguments in their own writing. Okay, the next is understanding plagiarism. Plagiarism happens when someone uses another person's work or ideas without giving proper credit. In academic writing, this is considered dishonest and can lead to serious academic consequences. Students need to understand that even small parts of copied text require citation. Therefore, learning how to use sources correctly is very important to maintain academic integrity and avoid unintentional plagiarism. How to avoid plagiarism? Students can avoid plagiarism by writing in their own words and using citations correctly. Bailey explains that paraphrasing and summarizing are useful techniques for academic writing. Proper referencing also helps readers identify the original source. Ways to avoid plagiarism. 1. Use citation. 2. Write original sentence. 3. Learn paraphrasing techniques. Planning before writing. Planning is an important step before starting to write because it helps students organize their ideas in a clear and logical way. Without proper planning, writing can become confusing and lack direction. By brainstorming ideas, selecting relevant information, and creating an outline, students can develop a strong structure. This makes the writing process easier and help produce more effectively. more effective academic work. Okay, next is note making. Note making helps students collect important information from reading materials. Good notes are usually short, clear, and focused on the main ideas. Students should avoid copying full paragraphs directly from sources. Good notes should use keywords, focus on important points, and be short and clear. Okay, the next part is gonna be continued by my partner.
Okay. Next is paragraph structure. Paragraphs are important because they help organize ideas clearly. A good paragraph usually focuses on one main idea and includes supporting details. Clear paragraph structure makes writing easier to understand. Parts of a paragraph is 1. Topic sentence, 2. Supporting sentence, and 3. Concluding sentence. Next is simple and complex sentence. Academic writing use both simple and complex sentence. Simple sentences are easier to understand, while complex sentences help explain relationship between ideas. Students should balance clarity and variety in their writing. Sentence tips for the first is avoid overly long sentence. Second, use conjunction correctly, and third is keep ideas clearly. What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing means rewriting information from a source using different words while keeping the original meaning. This skill is very important in academic writing because it allows students to include ideas from source without copying directly. Good paraphrasing shows that students truly understand the material they read. It also helps them avoid plagiarism while still supporting their arguments with reliable sources. Okay, next, techniques for paraphrasing. Effective paraphrasing requires more than changing a few words. Students should fully understand the original text before rewriting it. Comparing the paraphrase with the original text can help avoid plagiarism. The technique for the first, use synonym carefully. Second, change sentence patterns. And the third is write naturally. Good and bad paraphrasing. Good paraphrasing involves rewriting a sentence using different vocabulary and sentence structure while keeping the original meaning. It shows then that the students understand the source and can explain it in their own words. On the other hand, bad paraphrasing often copies too many words from the original text or only change a few words, which can still be considered plagiarism. Therefore, students need to be careful and make sure their paraphrasing is truly original and properly cited. Okay. What is summarizing? Summarizing means reducing a text to its main ideas while removing unnecessary details and examples. A summary is much shorter than the original text but still presents the most important information clearly. This skill is very useful in academic writing because it helps students explain source in a concise way. By summarizing effectively, students can support their arguments without including too much information. Step in summarizing. Students should first read the text carefully before writing a summary. After identifying the key points, unnecessary details should be removed. The summary should be clear, short, and easy to understand. Step for the first, read carefully. Second, find main points. And third, rewrite briefly. Next is internet source in academic writing. Internet sources are widely used in academic writing, but students must be careful when selecting them. Not all information found online is reliable or accurate, so it is important to evaluate each source critically. Students should check the author's credibility, the date of publication, and whether the information is supported by evidence. Using trustworthy sources will improve the quality of academic writing and make arguments more convincing. Next is importance of the writing process. The writing process helps students improve organization, clarity, and academic honesty. Skills such as planning, paraphrasing, and summarizing are useful for essays and research paper. Good writing develops through practice and revision. The benefit is first, better organization, second, clear communication, and third, stronger academic skills.
Okay, I think that's all that I can say about this presentation. Thank you for your all attention and good afternoon.
Good afternoon.